Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back when my daughter was very little, 6, 7, even 5 and 4 years old, she used to love to come to my shop and play around with some of my tools. And one of the tools I used to let her play with without any worries was this engraver. And this one is made by Dremel. Now this is the exact one that she used to play with. So I kind of keep this as a keepsake to remember those days. So a few years back I found this upgraded version made by Dremel, and it has the same functions. And then my local Lidl store, Lidl, had this one on sale, and I did a review on this one a few months back. It is a great little tool. No issues with this at all. So Lidl now has a cordless version of this engraving tool. We're going to do a quick review on this, so let me rearrange the camera and I'll be right back with you. Here is the engraver that we're going to be talking about right now. Let's see, I'm trying to get that in a picture good. There we go. Well, that's a little bit better. Parkside Cordless Engraver, PAG64A1. Lithium-Ion battery. Max 4 volt, 1.5 AH. I'm not sure what AH means, but that's what it says. Got a couple of pictures here on the side. Here's the end. Here's this end. Here's the bottom of the box. Now I did previously open this up and charge it. So let's see what this thing looks like. Here we have the Type C, just normal charger. There we go. We have a instruction manual, and we have a set of templates in here. Let's see how many templates come in here. Got 5 templates. Got a might be a little hard to see. That makes it work. Anyway, smiley faces, snowman. We have the numbers, a few different designs. Got some hearts and checks and just odds and ends stuff. This one, it has the alphabet, and this one's just more designs. Pretty self-explanatory for these templates. So I'm going to put these back in this little Ziploc bag right here. No, I'm just going to put them aside right now. Come back to that. Okay, here is the engraver itself. Let's see here. There we go. Pretty nice size. Not too heavy. Here is the charging port right here. Like I said, Type C. This is the high and low speed. Now, it comes with this little cover over the tip right here. And here is the tip. You can see how long this tip is. There you go. Air vents on the side. Nice comfortable grip. Let's see. You can change the tip right here. So just take this thumb guard off. And there we go. I'm sure these could be easily found on the Lidl website, or probably fit the Dremels in here or other engravers. There we go. This is the on and off switch right here. There you go. You have to keep it pressed for it to be working. So each light has 2 speeds. Make sure you saw those lights come on. Okay, how's she work? Let me get my goggles right here. Not a whole lot can be said about an engraver. So here is, I'm going to zoom in. So just one second. Okay, we have a glass right here, just empty glass. You can see right here I etched something with my other engraver. Let's see how this one works. It's on high. It's on medium right now. There we go. Whoops. Sorry about that. There we go. This is what I just did. Let me put it down right here. Just turn it on high. No issues etching glass at all. I'm going to put my initials or something right here in my razor knife. There we go. I thought that was metal, but it's plastic. See, I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. Okay, I have this gourd here, small gourd. What's it going to do to this gourd? Let's see if I keep that in the camera. Didn't do too much for the gourd. I guess a regular rotary tool would be better for that. Anyway, does this thing have enough power? It's got plenty of power. It will etch your tools. You can etch rocks. Just whatever you want to do. Glass. I did give, not this one, I gave a corded one to my granddaughter for Christmas, and pretty sure she's going to get a kick out of that once she gets used to using it. Anyway, this is $10, $12, $15 at Lidl, L-I-D-L. If you have a chance, check out the local Lidl near you. They might still have some of these in stock, I'm not sure. I'm trying to get that to turn off. Huh, that's weird. The lights are still on. I'm hoping it just turns off by itself so it doesn't kill the battery. But I think this is going to be a useful tool. Check it out. For the price, you can't really go wrong. My name's Carl. I do appreciate being with us today.